How you doing, guys? We've been trying to go late game. No one wants to go late game. Hopefully our next opponent goes late game. And I'm on my regular screen record. So, we're against another grinder. Alrighty. Looks like we're not going to go late game again. Oh my goodness, bro. Yeah, because it's slowly I've been feeling like my memes are, becoming meta. Because, I don't know. I just be winning, bro. And then but the moment I try to go late game, it's the complete opposite story. So we probably lose this. So like, there's really no way I can really put it. You know what I mean? Um, this is just not a really good loadout. I was kind of hoping for almost a BS tower, like maybe wizard or something. Uh, should I start with ice? I don't know, man. This ain't looking too good for us, bro. We're against the grinder. They obviously have a farm. Uh, Like if they send us pinks, maybe go for an ice right here. But then this won't pop. Alrighty, they go for a wizard. Alrighty. So let's just go for a double ice. It's gonna kind of act like a double ice. Kind of, right? No. Okay. Yeah. Nice to know. Nice to know. Really? Yeah, bro. I don't think we win this, bro. I'm not gonna cap with y'all. I don't think we win this. Uh, we can force a lightning. I mean, there's that. There we go. We forced the lightning. We're just gonna go for a triple ice. And as soon as we can, let's go for a 0-3, bro. As soon as we freaking can. Like, I'm having to put all my faith in this sniper, bro. One more eco boost. Come on, come on, come on. Thank you. So, thank you. Come on, come on. Thank you. Regen whites. They probably just get up another lightning. They're gonna spike. I want that double lightning. There we go. Come on, come on. Really? I'm 53 bucks off. Really, bro? Come on. Alright, he's gonna be probably sending us a whole bunch of yellows. So I'm glad I saved my spikes. Let's just boost that. already. Yeah, if he just full on sends a rush, we're dead. If he full on sends a rush, we're dead, bro. Look at how much farms he has, bro. Uh, I don't want to send coconuts just yet. Wait, he just went for that, yeah. Let's do that. Ooh. Does that scare him at all? No? We do make him leak, though. That's a really good thing. That's really, really, really good. If he sends us a blimp, I think we just go for a 2-3 on both of these, right? I think that will be the play. I think we can get away with that. So let's just go for that. And let's save up. If anything, I can sell an ice. You know what I mean? Yeah. We're gonna definitely send him a red blimp. He's most likely gonna defend and then counter, and then I lose. Okay, that's how this is gonna most likely play out. Unless like I all out him like blue blimps. I mean that could be a play. I could do that. Like sell a sniper. You know what I mean? On round 20. Because he's not gonna go late game, bro. He's not. Have you been paying attention to this game, bro? Have you been paying attention? Have you been paying attention? All right. Yeah, we're dead. Yeah, see, I tried to full send it. Oh well. We're against grinders, bro. Trying to go late game. No one wants to go late game. Why don't no one want to go late game? I don't know. I don't know, bro. And, yeah.